I absolutely love sweet overnight oats, but sometimes you just crave a warm, savory breakfast. If you need a break from the usual sweet flavors, these 5-minute 17-gram protein blender wraps are the ultimate swap. We just got back from an amazing trip to Ocean City and Longwood Gardens to kick off the summer. We had a blast, but after days of indulging in healthy overnight oats and oatmeal and also some vacation ice cream and sweet treats, my whole family was naturally craving a savory reset. We needed a break from the sugar. These wraps take minutes to prep. Just drop your wet ingredients like water and Greek yogurt into a blender, followed by your whole wheat flour, unflavored protein powder of your choice, and rolled oats. To make it savory, I added a pinch of asafoetida, black pepper, green chili, and salt. Blend it into a smooth batter. Pour it into a bowl and stir in some cumin seeds. Let that rest for 5 minutes. If you need quick, stress-free meal ideas to save your sanity on busy mornings, hit that subscribe button right now. Spread a little olive oil on a cast iron griddle and pour your batter. Cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat until the edges naturally lift off. Then flip it for another 2 to 3 minutes. One batch makes about 5 of these incredible wraps. And here's the best part. Each wrap is only about 166 calories, but packs about 17 grams of protein. You can eat them as is with a quick spicy peanut dip like we did, or stuff them with eggs and veggies to grab on the go. If you want to get your time back while still eating balanced home-cooked food, this is the ultimate hack. I have left the links to my other time-saving oats recipes, from overnight oats to baked oats and savory oatmeal bowls, right down in the description below. You will also find the exact measurements and macros for these wraps down there as well. Check out the video on the screen next, and I'll see you next week.